Hello, I'm going to show how to make a third-person character dissolve or materialize using DitherTemporalAA. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.23.0. This is the third-person blueprint template. To create new material 1, right-click, select material, and name it new material 1. I'm going to delete this because I already created it. Now double-click new material 1, change blend mode to masked, right-click base color, promote to parameter, double-click, select any color you want. I'm going to make mine red. Drag off opacity mask, add this node DitherTemporalAA, right-click alpha threshold, promote to parameter, name it fade, and keep default value 0, and save and close. To create new material 2, right click and select material, name it new material 2. I'm going to delete this because I've already created it. Now double click M_UE4 man_body. Highlight all these nodes and copy. Then double click new material 2 and select blend mode mask, and then paste these nodes here. Drag off blended material and create the node break material attributes. Then connect all the enabled pins. If there's any disabled pins, you can't connect those. Drag off opacity mask and create the node DitherTemporalAA. Then right click alpha and promote to parameter and name it fade and give it a default value of 1. Under Content, Third Person BP, Blueprints, to create AiCharacteri 1 and AiCharacteri 2, right-click Third Person Character and duplicate, and then you're going to name it to either AiCharacteri 1 or AiCharacteri 2. I'm going to delete this because I've already created them. Double click AiCharacteri 1. Source material is new material 1. Parameter name is fade. I'm going to show how to create timeline. Right click, search for timeline, and add timeline. Then double click the node. Add float track. From the drop down, select fog brightness LUT float curve, and then clear that. And then on length, I'm going to keep 5, but you can put whatever you want. So I'm going to reduce this until I can see 5 on the chart, and then move this to 5 and 1, and move this to the center, and compile and save. Now I'm going to delete this one because I've already created this one. I'll double click this to show what it looks like. Then when you're done, compile and save. Double click AiCharacteri 2. Go to viewport, select the character, I just wanted to show that on materials, element 0 is the body material, element 1 is the chest logo material. So on the event graph, this node is element 0 for the body, and it's got source material, new material 2. This one is element 1 for the chest logo. It's got source material, new material 2 also. Normally you create a material for the chest logo, but I'm using the same material. This will make the logo look different, but it doesn't matter for the demo. Parameter name here is fade. I'll press play to test. Even though the character dissolved, the capsule is still there, so it will block the player.